This is the crowning glory of Scania's urban offering, the new L Series cab, specially tailored for city operation. The new placement of the driver's seat, in combination with a lowered dashboard and slimmer A-pillars, positions the driver at the same height as the surrounding traffic. Both the driver and passenger are positioned equally low. These features together create an overall safety improvement, meeting the toughest standards. The L Series also has several features improving working conditions for the driver. The entirely new single boarding step, together with automatic kneeling, will save time as well as giving better ergonomics. The ability to drive while in the kneeling position is a very handy feature in certain operations. The all-new wide door creates easy, comfortable access to the cab. The ergonomic changes characterize the cab in every part that the driver will interact with. The controls are all easily accessible as part of the design in the new generation Scania trucks.